Hi all. Today I'm going to give a step-by-step demonstration on using the admin event form to create an event from scratch. I am using my sample calendar, so some details will differ from yours, but overall, the form that I use will look much the same as the one that you do. From your admin dashboard homepage, there are 3 ways to access the admin event form. The Add Event button, here above Pending, Upcoming, Recent, the Add Event button underneath the Events dropdown on the left-hand side, and if you click into the Upcoming Events window, the Add Event button at the far right of the top of the page. This third one is the one that we are going to use today. Your admin event form will have 5 tabs. The first, Basic Information, is required in order to proceed to the remaining 4. On Basic Information, only 2 items are required: event name and start date. Fill in the description to explain the event and any topics that might be covered during it. Under Schedule, you can add a start date, also start and end times, and you can set an event to repeat, either using the Repeating Options dropdown, or by adding each event instance one at a time using the Include Above in Schedule button. Once your times have been populated, you can also delete any erroneous times or edit individual times as needed. Further down, set your experience type: hybrid, virtual, or in-person. Then, set up your classifications. You can learn more about the different types of classifications that are available from their respective help articles, which I will also link in the tutorial notes. Once your basic information is set, hit Save and Continue to proceed to the second tab, Details. Here, you can upload an image or use one that has been added to your platform's photo library, add speakers, set hashtags, and much more. Once your details are complete, you can then move on to tickets and registration if this is applicable. If no tickets will be moving through, you can skip to Attendee Engagement. I will cover Register in a later video, and you can also learn more about it from our feature focus workshop on Register and Bulletin. Save your ticket or tickets, and now you can proceed to Attendee Engagement if you have not done so already. You can toggle these settings on or off as needed based on how you want your audience to be able to interact with the event, as well as how you want to interact with them via various automatic notifications. Once these 4 tabs are set, proceed to the Publish tab to determine how the event should go live. Please note, if you are an event author, you will not be able to publish your event. Talk to your platform admin today for assistance if you have questions. Once you are satisfied, you can click Save and Publish, and voila, your event is now live. Click View Event to see your live event. Scroll to the bottom and you will also see the Admin Event Editor, with which you can quickly return to the form to be able to edit this event as needed. Thank you so much for watching, and happy creating!